Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to get Iqiyi, the Chinese TV station, TV app actually, on your AIS app, or should I say TV, AIS TV. Now, the first thing you need to do is enter the home page of your AIS TV, then click on apps on the top tabs, and then click Google Play Store to open the store. And once you're there, you can see it right here. Then you click on it, and what you're going to do is you're going to search for Iqiyi. So you find it by typing on in the search bar Iqiyi, and then you download it. You can see it right here. So you download it. Then once you downloaded it, you install it. And once the installation is complete, go back to the home page and click Add App to Favorite App by clicking on the plus icon. So once you've done that, you see you can select Iqiyi and start enjoying. Launch it and start watching your free and paid, depending on the one you want to watch. You can watch animes on it, you can watch Chinese movies, you can watch Chinese drama, and the rest of them. Hope you found this video helpful.